Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy M04 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another one. So now we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want, you can make it by another way. Just hold the application, tap to select the applications on your home screen and click here to create folder. Or also, if you want to add here more applications, you should tap to this plus icon and just select the applications which you want to add to your folder, tap to done, and by this way we'll just add here more applications. To give a name or to rename the folder, we should open it, tap on the name, enter the apps, tap to done. Here we can see that we just successfully give a name to this folder. If you want to rename it by another way, just hold it for a while and click here to this edit icon. So if you want to move folder on the screen, you should just hold it and drag it. By the same way, we can move folders between the screens or just to create the new screens for the folders. Just to remove the application from here, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it, tap to remove icon. Also, we can select, for example, a couple of apps and in one click remove it. Or also to remove just folder with all of the applications, just hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.